amazing, Arabella, and I'm here with
Jamie the Kid.
And we've just received this card and box. Let's take a look.
Boom! We've been invited to the Aquaman premiere by Cartoon Network and Rubies. Let's get ready.
So we are here at Cartoon Network. We're about to get our hair and makeup done and put on our amazing outfits. You ready for this, JD?
Yeah.
Let's do this, guys. Ready for the premiere. Can't wait for you guys to see us on the red carpet. It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're here at the premiere wearing our amazing Rubies, Aquaman and Mirror costumes. I have to say my favorite thing about the costume is the colors. I love it so much. And it looks so much like Mirrors as well, which is incredible. What do you think about yours?
I mean, I'm really loving this belt. I mean, it looks really iconic on me. Also the hair accessories,
Yes.
Look at me go. Also the beard and moustache. And also, guys, I've got a six-pack.
The movie, let's do this.
Let's go! That was so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like.
And to make sure you don't miss out on more from Cartoon Network, hit that subscribe button.